Well, we've always been coming to Dr. Sorce since I was in 5th grade, so he's kind of watched me grow up. And after tearing my ACL in Chicago at a tournament for volleyball, we just called Dr. Sorce right away because that's who we knew we wanted to have help me out with this injury and start the recovery process. I was going up to hit a volleyball, came down wrong, my whole knee popped. It just didn't feel right, so we called him up. After doing the MRI and figuring out that I completely tore it, then he said that we need to operate. So they completely took out my old ACL, and then they put in a new graft. So they used like a cadaver's part, so we didn't weaken any of my parts, because I told them I wanted to be an athlete when I come back. So it was really important that I still stayed strong. So they put in the graft, and then after 9 months, I was able to recover. I was going to him every month for just updates and having him kind of understand where my knee was at. And then he was really helpful with working with my physical therapist to understand where I was at in the recovery process. So if I needed to be pushed harder in physical therapy or take a few steps back. So he was on every step of the way with me. I missed my senior year of volleyball, which really stunk because I want to play that in college, but I was able to be a manager for the team and still be a part of it, so that was nice. And then I was able to come back for basketball, which I'm in now, and then I'll be playing soccer in the spring. He's great. He's, like I said, watched me grow up, so he's kind of been like a father figure in my life, just always giving me pointers on how to live and staying on the right path and stuff. So he's always been supportive, and he's always kind of a jokester, so that's nice to have too. Yeah, I've had 3 or 4 friends actually come to him. A girl tore her ACL before. I said, you need to go to this guy. He's been so supportive and helpful, so she's gone to him. I've had a few girls fracture ankles or wrists before. I said, go to Sorce, go to Sorce. So definitely have recommended him. I love Dr. Sorce, and not only Dr. Sorce, but everyone else that's been in the office. They've all been so supportive, and all the ladies up front. It's a great atmosphere to be in, and I look forward to coming here even if it means I'm not playing sports. So